noble vices.
But nah, baby, I give you squad 80 when my shooters pull up with the stick like Saw, baby. Can I get a you know when the fuck we coming? On legendary occasion, I got my main homegirl with me. She's stunning on everybody.
It's your favorite lady Godiva, whether it's on your plate or in your face, it'll never taste this good.
Facts. Who else?
It's your girl, Miss NYC, ABR shit, I am Atlanta battle rap.
This is one of the craziest battles of the night, Lord.
This is amazing shit. On my right-hand side, the definition of swag himself. He sweats nothing but Hennessy. The Trillers, Brooklyn's finest, GMB's own player partner. Who is you? Queens, Bronx, X.
Yo, check it though, man. Everybody make some motherfucking noise for Chris Petty's birthday, yo. Word up, let's go.
Alright, and on my left-hand side, ABR's motherfucking owner, one of the godfathers of Atlanta battle rap, my player partner. Who is you?
Yo, I can't take responsibility for all this. It's a whole team effort, man. But it's Chris Petty, a.k.a. Sheet Metal Solomon, a.k.a.
Trick of the suburbs. Let's fucking go. ABR shit.
Talk your shit, bro. Talk your shit.
Whole lot of game shit, whole lot of big money shit. My man Chris is elected to go first. Please talk that shit to the people.
I say, yo, I know a lot of y'all are real confused right now. Like, how the fuck did this happen? Chris Petty versus Goodz. Well, shit, I can fucking explain. It was a hot day in Atlanta. It was the middle of summer. It was me, my wife, Goodz, and Charlie Cliff's mother.
I know she ain't cheat on me. I know she ain't cheat on me.
I say for Goodz, bro. This whole culture thinks this battle's a fucking joke. Mayweather McGregor. I mean, that's at least what to talk about, but I can guarantee y'all right now it's gonna take a lot more than half a gallon to knock me out.
Okay.
What's poppin', Goodz? I mean, I say what's poppin', Goodz? I'm here to let you know this is my chicken. Nachos fam, just know I keep a couple shells on me like a taco stand. I say it's no smoke when I'm firing, man, and well, I got something in the stash like a retirement plan.
What else?
I say it's gate codes and big fences where I be, and well, I could put goods in the bag like a shopping spree. It's passports when I vacate like say la vie, and the car got no limit, that's where the Master P. It's gate codes and big fences where I be, and put goods in the bag like a shopping spree. It's passports when I vacate, say la vie, and the car got no limit, where the Master P. I say, but Goodz, it's NASDAQ and Wall Street Journal when I wake up, and like a fat bitch on a cheat day, my pockets stay caked up. I mean, Goodz, I've been getting money since house chores. My work ethic is what got me staying well off. My hustle? Go ensure I see a lot more. That's why the bank account and the yacht, well, they both offshore.
She talking that shit.
I need you to
I need an extra rack.
I need you to understand, Goodz. I mean, I'm getting my money in bundles. Word to Godiva, I'm wigging.
Let me fix it.
I say, Goodz, I get my money in bundles. Word to Godiva, I'm wigging. I mean, you're going to have to bob and weave to make sure it's safe to stunt. You got a fake persona always putting up a lace front. But if y'all don't understand the scheme or peep dimensions, just know I got a bad bitch with long extensions. But that's his shit. And this is ABR. Let me get on my Chris shit. I say, Goodz, I work my ass off to get from the mean streets to Wall Street. But I still check in with the hood. I mean, I gotta make sure the block hitting. I got crooks that are Glock gripping, cooks that are pot whipping. I'm just letting you know I'm good with money even at the stock dipping. And if I'm not, don't worry about my pockets. I got a good relationship with the ratchet. She not tripping. I mean, big gun. Clip about as long as my credit score. I say big gun. Clip about as long as my credit score. A chest shot. I'll fuck his life up like his credit report. But let me guess, Goodz. Is this about the time that you tell me that you took my wife out on a date or two? 3? 3 of them things?
3 of them things?
3. All right, cool. Well, I'm not at.
Okay.
3.5?
There we go.
All right, cool. Well, I'm still not impressed. Don't try and flex. I mean, what she want with a worker when she's with the one who signed the check? I say, yo, what she want with the worker when she's with the one who signed the checks? But that's your thing, Goodz, right? Everybody's got a worker's point of view. Well, to sit at the head of the table, I mean, you got to go through what your workers are going through. You really got to be out in the field doing what your workers are supposed to do. So by definition, to be a boss, well, you got to have a worker's point of view.
Talk your shit, son.
I say, but let me guess. You sell drugs. And they're the color of my skin. Well, cool, I cop drugs. And I'll take everything you got. I mean, I'll break it down, test it right here on the spot. Hell yeah, let's go, Chris. Look at it funny.
I should really do it. I should snort the Chris.
I say, but you sell drugs. Well, cool, I'll buy drugs. I mean, I'll take everything you got. I'll break it down, test it right here on the spot. Look at it funny, like my product's been stomped. You ain't peep the scheme or understand the plot? Goodz, I'm Republican. I'm the original plug, and you've been secret shots.
We can't hear him in the back.
I say, while you was out making metro runs, I was shipping it in by the metric ton. Think Christopher Columbus the way it found its way to the dock. Metallica with the Pyrex, how I whipped it to rock. You're fucking with some hard white. I guess the saying is how it goes. I am my forefather's son just to chip off the old block. I said, but while you was out here bagging up grams to get rich off the short sale, I was in a warehouse with a forklift weighing it up on a floor scale. Discount prices for the hood like a wholesale. Pay attention, Goodz. I'm gonna teach you how to wholesale, but think, Summer Sam, I got something crazy that'll kill you if you fuck up the wholesale. I say, see, now I'm going dumb. I shoulder some, I throw him one. It's a ratchet on each side of his head, and these bitches got a grievance. They gotta hear where he coming from. I say, crazy white boy, split personality. Slim Shady and Marshall, a headshot will split his brain like I'm trying to remain impartial. I say, but this is ABR. Down here, we pop bottles. but you from URL. Well, up there, you toss bottles. Don't be so quick to fly off the handle, Goodz. I mean, this battle can go one of two ways. I mean, we can keep it light and swag on it, have fun, something like the new Goodz, or a shooter can raise arms and lick a shot and have you sweating bullets like the old Goodz. I say that battle against conceded, that Burberry was no Goodz. Jay, where were you at? You should have told him no Goodz. I mean, that shit was fake and hella cheap. The last time I saw water run down Burberry like that, well, was Canal Street.
That was different. I like that.
I say, but you know what? I know this doesn't really make sense, but him and I are very similar. I mean, we have similar lives. I mean, he works, well, I work a 9 to 5 and he sells drugs. I mean, I'm just out here working to send my kids to college, make sure they got a car to whip. You know, generally live a better life. So in my own way, I guess I'm pushing my own kind of life.
Talk that good fatherhood shit. Talk that good fatherhood shit. Talk that good father shit, nigga. To the knowledge, man.
I say, so technically I'm pushing my own kind of life, but Goodz, it's only right that you came to this city and you see me. I mean, I could get you clapped for a little change. Some goo-wop, I mean, damn near free. Don't think because you 2G, you Gucci in these streets. But real shit, y'all. I appreciate everything that he's done for this event. All right, now I appreciate you coming out. We just had a one-round classic. I got one thing. I got one more favor I gotta ask you.
What's that? What's that?
Will you sign my GMB application?
I gotta ask Jeff.
I can't.
Hey, yo, you know what? We got room for 2 white boys on my roster. Let's go.
There you go. Yeah, there we go. ABR GMB shit. You dig me?
I don't give a shit about this battle. Sounds stupid, but true. I don't care about this battle so much. I'm rooting for you. Chris Petty better get ready. This shit about to get deadly. I got a gun so big.
How big?
That shit heavy. So heavy I had to leave it there.
Okay.
Now for real, my gun's so big.
How big is it?
If you ain't gonna use it, you might as well keep it there. You versus me, HD. I'ma keep it clear. Go get a partner and I'll battle the both of y'all. I'm just trying to keep it fair. I need another opponent.
I'll kill you.
Where you at? I'm on to the next already. They said, Goodz, you battling a white boy with swag.
Huh?
I thought I battled Jeff already. Beef with me, I'm next door already. With the arm out the window, about to flex on Petty. But I'm out. I'ma leave. But I'm out. I'ma leave because I want to bounce. Plus, I like your wife now. So I'm going to give Clips the keys to your mother house. I'm going to get petty. They talking lyrics. Dumb them down. I'm really trying to dumb them down. I done had a bunch of orgies, naked chicks in circles, but I don't fuck around. Talk to Larry the Cable Guy. I'm smacked. Tie him up. Tie him up. Bandana around his mouth. Don't make another sound. Or I'ma blam straight. It's like a handshake the way I cuff the pound. Come on, come on.
Trying to do that.
Whatever you thought of, I done did it. Like I told the other nigga, you could buy all the clothes, but the aura don't come with it.
They sent them to me.
Don't be petty, petty. Don't be petty, petty. That was a light jab. I mean, you could dress the part, but that it factor don't have a price tag. Come on. I was that nigga since birth. My actions speak it itself. So what I do don't take hard work. Cause you ain't gotta practice being yourself.
Right!
Come on, talk that shit. But get with me if you needin' some help. A bunch of rappers try to can goods, but couldn't seem to put me on the shelf. Learn how to market your brand. Learn how to market your brand. Damn, let me sit up, so I'm smacking.
Wait, this ain't
Chris
gonna
Petty.
turn out to a 2-on-1.
Yes, it is with Miss Petty.
You got back up at the end.
White boys, you
It's a one-on-one, Petty. Why you got his teeth on this grill? I don't mean to freestyle against Bobby from King of the Hill.
Learn how to market your brand. I put people in different lanes to get money. I got a super marketing plan. Come on. I don't like the way you rap. I don't like the way you rap. I almost hate it. You look like you signed up for White Man Can't Jump. And almost made it, nigga! What you want me to do? What you thought? I was gonna let you kill me? Let's make a bet. I ain't the Stookie Brothers. Picture me, fake a death.
fake a bet.
Get Chris up out of
Death.
here.
Question: what do white people do to have fun? Listen to weird songs? Throw parties with a bunch of men and play beer pong? Have stupid competitions like who got the most facial hair or who could grow their beard long? When you around black people, are you really scared but try to appear strong? Oh, it's a work day. And even though you paid good, I'ma kill you in the worst way. But you still ain't give niggas their second half. We need our works paid. It's crazy how you gotta give out cake on your birthday. You just get dressed. I get godly. That's what the church say. Right. Goodz fresher than a kid going to school on his first day. Come on, nigga. You got an assistant principal aura. Let class begin. Chris, you look like you teach math and gym. Bitch, you look like after this damn battle, you may never rap again. You look like in school you did everybody homework just to have a friend. I'm smart, but I'm out. I'ma leave because I want to bounce. Yo, Clips, take a Uber and meet me at Chris' mother house. And don't go raw this time. I'm out. That's it.
These motherfuckers are spazzing. Y'all just witnessed some